Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I took a good trade yesterday, a great trade, one of my best trades so far, I would say, for my trading career, during my trading career, literally. And it's crazy because by trading GBPJPY and trading other pairs also that are correlated, I found an edge, and I found a specific edge. It's crazy how when you trade a pair for a long period of time, you start to understand it better. You start to see stuff that most people don't even see, because I started to trade GBPJPY in 2019 when I first started trading. It was one of the first pairs I usually trade. I started with GBPJPY and gold, and for me, finding a 1 to 5 trade was like, okay, now I'm starting to catch bigger moves. It means that my understanding of this pair is getting crazy. Now I am understanding better, because for me, in order to catch a lot of moves in one pair, like 1 to 4 risk ratio, 1 to 5 risk ratio, you need to understand this pair, how this pair moves, and you need to have perfect good entries. I'm not talking about snapper entries. Yeah, the trade that I took was a snapper entry, but I'm not talking about snapper entry, because snapper entry are not the most important, because most of the time entries are not also important, because when you focus on having only good entries, you miss a lot of setups. And let me tell you guys, don't focus only on having good entries, focus on having a good stop loss. That's what I'm focused on. I'm focused on having a good stop loss. I'm focused on having some small loss, because I'm trying to focus what I can control. I can control my stop loss, I can control my losses, because I'm the one that trade. I can close the trade right here if I want to, but some entries can be controlled, because sometimes I can have a good risk reward, let's say like a 1 to 2, and when I want to take the trade, when I'm trying to put my lot aside on my phone, everything, the price just spiked up, or maybe the risk reward is not good anymore. So that's why I say focus on what you can control, and if you do that, you will see a lot of change in your trading, a lot of change. So this is GBPJPY on the 1 hour time frame. As you can see, I took it to right here, and what's funny about that is I saw it happening. I'm not gonna say that I predicted this move. No, I'm not a predictor. I don't do that shit. I don't predict nothing here. Here we don't predict some chart. We react to the chart. We react. We let the price action showing us some hands, and we follow it. That's it. We just follow what the market is showing us. I'm not trying to predict. I don't predict anything right here. I don't predict anything. We just follow the trend and follow price action. And I took the trade right here, as you can see, risk ratio 1 to 5, and I closed the trade right here. Yeah, closed the trade right here. It was 1 to 4. Okay, that's why I closed the trade. And when I trade GBPJPY, I traded with CHF-JPY, because CHF-JPY and GBPJPY moves the same way. The same way. It's so easy to trade GBPJPY when you look at CHF-JPY. I used to trade GBPJPY by looking at also GBP/USD, but that was a big mistake, because I noticed that you should trade based on correlations. CHF-JPY moves first, and then GBPJPY follows CHF-JPY, and then GBP/USD follows GBPJPY. So it's like that: CHF-JPY, GBPJPY, and GBP/USD. And I noticed that for the past 2 months, I took only 11 trades on. Is it 2 months? 3 months. Yeah. For the past 3 months, I took 11 trades on GBPJPY alone. I took 11 trades, because as you can see, because I deleted the other ones. That's from the beginning of April. Right now, today is the 28th of April, if you're watching this video. So yeah, other trade that I took has been win. I haven't lost one trade. It's crazy. I haven't lost one trade. So I haven't lost one trade because I know how to trade GBPJPY by using CHF-JPY. I don't trade GBPJPY alone. I need some confirmation. And since GBPJPY and CHF-JPY moves together, it helps me give me the confirmation. So I took this trade right here. That was good. And what's funny is that I also wanted to take CHF-JPY right here. Unfortunately, I risked more on GBPJPY, so I didn't want to have like a double risk on my trading account. So I was like, okay, I already risked a lot on GBPJPY. I'm not gonna try to risk a lot here too, because if this hit my stop loss and GBPJPY hit my stop loss, I will lose like too much money, you know. So I was like, okay, let's go with GBPJPY. And I took the trade in GBPJPY, and I wanted to take this one right here. Let's go show 1252, but unfortunately I didn't take it, and my TP was at this level right here. As you can see, price started to move right here until up here. You see that? So I saw price coming here. Okay, we have an imbalance right here that have been closed right here. We have an imbalance right here, you know. So okay, price started to create an imbalance around this area, you see. So I was like, okay, let me take a buy right here, because you can see we have a double bottom right here. Let me show you quickly. Price making a double bottom right here, go like that, retested, bullish engulfing. I was like, okay, price can continue to go higher, you know, at this level, because price started to push right here until right here, and same thing right here until right here. So this was my take profit on the CHF-JPY, and when price reached this zone right here of my supposed take profit, but I didn't take the trade because, you know, I didn't want to risk too much money. When price reached this area right here, I was on GBPJPY. It was right here, and I closed it manually. And you saw me now, price dropping, and yeah, I'm doing bullshit. Yeah, but what I wanted to say is, guys, believe in yourself and don't try to switch up on the pairs that you trade. Try to be familiar with like some pairs more than others. I started with GBPJPY in 2019. Now we're in 2022, and now the way I see GBPJPY is crazy. I haven't lost a trade in 2 months on GBPJPY. It's just ridiculous to me. It's insane. It's just crazy. And I see some results, and that's not bad. That's a good result. Imagine if I was trading only GBPJPY. Crazy guys. So that's it for the video. Make sure that you leave a comment down below, subscribe, and peace.